found this antique kitchen hutch that I fell in love with, so I decided to work on it. I decided to go with a lavender color as a base and blended that with a plum from Dixie Belle. I wanted a textured effect and more of a farmhouse look on the hutch, so I decided to go with salt wash and mix that with the lavender and cover the whole hutch with the lavender base. I then use Plum mixed with some salt wash in patches over the hutch so that it will show through the top layer when it was distressed. I then applied 2 coats of white paint over the layer of salt wash with lavender and plum. I then used a sanding sponge to lightly distress the areas where I wanted the salt wash textured effect to show from under the white. I had printed a picture off the internet of lavender that I thought would match perfectly with this hutch, and then I decided to decoupage that onto the cabinet door. I also printed some lavender on clear tracing paper that I wanted to use on the sides of the drawers and the inside of the cabinet. I decoupaged that on the sides of the drawers, and then you could see the lavender color through the tracing paper because it was see-through. I did the same on the inside door of the cabinet and decoupaged those lavender sheets in there too. I then used a little sponge to dab some paint of white and some lavender just to add some texture to the top of the decoupaged lavender sheet so that it will blend into the front of the cabinet. After it was all dry, I applied Dixie Belle top coat onto the lavender parts of the cabinet, and I applied clear wax onto the white salt wash parts of the hutch. And after the coat of wax had dried, I applied another coat of a mix of clear, black and white waxes mixed all together, just to give a more of an antique vintage look to the hutch. And here is the final result of my antique farmhouse lavender and white kitchen hutch. Even when I knew I never could, know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.